Hundreds of people came out to the Abbey in West Hollywood on Saturday, February 15th to support the Children's Tumor Foundation. Many people showed their support by participating in the Cupid's Undie Run, which consists of running a mile in their bedroom's best. When asked what drew them to the run, many people replied they wanted to support the children and even gathered their own donations.
I started asking people for donations, posting on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And then, little by little, I didn't realize I was going to get so much in return. My friends and my family, they opened my eyes. They're like, Georgie, good job. You're always giving back to the community. You're always, putting us before you. And, that made me feel a little bit emotional. I was able to receive over $500 of donations.
Participants were given bronze, silver, and gold medals if they collected over a certain amount of money.
I raised over $1,900 this year. Last year was $15,000. So, I go big.
Many people at the event were dressed in superhero costumes, and when Chad Moore was asked why he was dressed in Spider-Man, this is what he had to say.
The Spider-Man costume, I feel like these kids going through this cancer, they are superheroes. So there's people who are in Batman, Superman, Spider-Man, and they're the real superheroes. So I think that maybe we just take a day out and to realize and recognize that they are the real superheroes.
So this event is for the Children's Tumor Foundation. It's for the disease, so all the proceeds are going to that foundation. And I just decided, I honestly looked up online and I wanted to do some volunteer work, and I saw that this was something interesting, something new, and it'd be nice to be part of it.
NF, also known as neurofibromatosis, is on the road to improving the lives of young children and their families by putting on events such as these. The Cupid's Undie Run has raised over $2.6 million, which is close to their $3 million goal. In West Hollywood, Marita Lorena, Valley View News.